I'm Luke Sasse. I'm the LED product manager at HIVIS. We are a business that makes communities and people safer through the delivery of highly intelligent visual information systems, the acronym HIVIS. I would describe innovation as identifying new opportunities to either find a technological advancement or a systems advancement. It's quite a broad term where you're basically delivering something novel and new that provides additional value to your clients or to the community that you're serving. 100% innovation is at the foundational core of HIVIS. It's really through continuous innovation in both our business models and our technologies and the way we deliver our services that has enabled HIVIS to compete and succeed in the market of road signage, LED products and safety products. Looking forward, one of our identified challenges within our organisation is, as we're scaling, how we continue to provide that customer-focused and solution-oriented approach whilst being able to scale. I think we're finding a balance and we're building a capacity to deliver scalable manufacturing whilst keeping that innovative spirit of finding new opportunities and creating new solutions with an engineering team that's positioned to really continue to produce those opportunities for HIVIS. We've found that existing in the Hunter is terrific for that talent that we're able to attract, for the business community that is around the Hunter Valley that supports what we do. There's no better time when the Hunter Valley incubators and ecosystem for entrepreneurs provides an amazing foundation for startups. And there is so many opportunities in a rapidly changing world. If you have yourself an innovation or can see a future where you can address a challenge or provide greater value to businesses like HIVIS or to the community, the sky's the limit. I'd say jump into it.